Hey guys, what's up? So we're back with another delicious recipe for you guys. We got Slutty Brownies today. Yes, it's a strange name, but it's what they're called. We're gonna need some Oreos, some brownie mix. We chose the supreme walnut, but you can choose just regular brownie mix. Chocolate chip cookie dough, and then the oil, egg, and water for the brownie mix. A pan, and we decided to put the baking sheet in there, that way it wouldn't stick to our pan. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. We're going to take our cookie dough and put it down on the bottom of the pan, spread it out evenly. Next, we're going to take our Oreos, and we're going to try to cover as much cookie as possible. Somehow, it worked out perfectly that last one fit perfectly right down into the middle. But if that doesn't work, you can always cut them in half and break them in half to at least cover it up as much as possible. We're going to go ahead and take our brownie mix and make the brownies. Add our egg, oil, and water. Mix it up real nice. We're going to take the brownie mix and cover all the Oreos completely. You shouldn't be able to see any Oreo once you're done with it. Now that the brownie is completely covering the Oreos and the cookie dough, we'll take it and put it into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. And there you have it. Got the oven ready to go. Take the molding off. We're going to go ahead and peel all the paper off of it. Once it's all peeled, it should look a little something like this. See where the cookie and the brownie separate. Now you can choose to cut it however you like. I honestly didn't know which way to cut it, so I just went ahead and cut it right down the middle. Now once you cut you out a little piece, or a big piece, you can add whatever you'd like to it. I went ahead and threw some ice cream on it because I love warm brownies and ice cream. To me, there's nothing better. And like this, I get Oreos and cookies with it. So yeah, there you have it. The Slutty Brownie. I went ahead and crumbled up some Oreos, threw it on top. Yep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.